Hello everybody, in today's video I'm gonna show how to change your birthday on Facebook. So first open your Facebook application. Now in the top right corner click on this three bar icon and scroll down, then click on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now in this page you can find Media Account Center. You just need to click on this, and here you can find personal details. In this page you can find personal details. Tap on here. Now here you can find birthday. Just tap on this option and now click on edit. Now here you can see you can change your birthday to whatever you want, and after that just click on set, then click on save, and then your birthday will be changed. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.